Today, I am talking about an incredible natural ingredient that has been used for centuries: clove. Did you know that cloves are more than just a kitchen spice? They have powerful medicinal properties that can improve your health, skin, hair, and even help with pain relief. Stay tuned as I uncover all the benefits of cloves and share a simple clove water recipe that can transform your daily routine. 1. Natural pain relief and numbing effect. Clove oil works like benzocaine and lidocaine, providing quick relief from toothaches, fights toothaches and gum infections, freshens breath and kills bacteria, muscle pain and joint pain. 2. Improves digestion. Clove water helps with indigestion, bloating and gas, constipation making it a great digestive remedy. 3. Promotes better sleep and relaxation. Clove water increases serotonin and melatonin levels, helping you relax and sleep better. Reduces stress and anxiety. 4. Boosts immunity and fights infections. Clove acts as a natural antibiotic without side effects, boosting your body's defense against infections. High in antioxidants that fight diseases. Clove has antibacterial and antifungal properties. 5. Clears skin and reduces acne, prevents breakouts by killing acne, causing bacteria, reduces dark spots and blemishes. 6. Promotes hair growth and scalp health. Clove water stimulates hair growth, reduces dandruff, and strengthens hair follicles. Increases blood circulation to the scalp. Treats fungal scalp infections. Boil 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of cloves for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool, then strain. Spray onto your scalp, massage gently, and leave it overnight for best results. 7. Enhances memory and brain function. Clove improves concentration, focus, and memory, making it a great brain-boosting spice. 8. Speeds up wound-healing clove oil, when mixed with aloe vera, acts as an antiseptic, speeding up wound healing. 9. Natural insect and mosquito repellent. Cloves work as a safe and chemical-free repellent against mosquitoes, flies, and spiders. 10. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cloves help control blood sugar, making them beneficial for diabetics. 11. Boosts liver health and detoxification. Cloves stimulate liver enzymes, helping your body remove toxins and improving liver function. 12. Enhances respiratory health. Cloves help with bronchitis, asthma, mucus buildup, and congestion, making breathing easier. 13. Improves heart and blood circulation. Clove water improves blood flow, lowers high blood pressure, and supports heart health. How to use cloves daily. Chew 1 to 2 cloves daily for digestion and immunity. Apply clove oil for toothaches and muscle pain. Use clove water for better sleep and detoxification. Add cloves to tea for cold and cough relief. Place cloves around the house to repel insects. Clove water recipe ingredients: 3 to 4 cloves, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon honey. Optional 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice optional. 4 cloves in 2 cups of water for 5 to 10 minutes until it reduces to 1 cup. Strain the water and let it cool slightly. Add honey for taste and a few drops of lemon juice for extra detox benefits. How to use: drink before bed for better sleep. Consume in the morning to improve digestion and immunity. Use during a cold to clear mucus and ease breathing. Store the clove water in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Start using cloves and clove water daily and experience these incredible benefits. Which benefit surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful home remedies.